You know, this is another beard care video. I always drop these videos just for you guys. Beard healthy, clean, moisturized. Yes, moisturized. So this is gonna be one of the most important things, I do believe, truly, because moisturizing your beard is a significant part of a daily process, especially for young men like yourself. You are ready to moisturize your beard, so this is what I do, and I'll show you guys how I do it. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Arcway, a new direction of a modern man, and today's another beard care video. So today I'm gonna show you guys how to moisturize your beard and how to do it effectively, just so you guys can get the nice smooth beard on a day-to-day basis, because Lord knows you need it. Okay, so let's go right into this. What I usually do, boom, I grab the container, I open the container, show the product, and it's a nice smooth substance in there. So I just get a little bit of pea size. Usually I put a little pea size in my hand. So I put it in my hands like so, just spread it like on toast. Boom, there you go. Rub it in the hands. And what I'm gonna do right now is just rub down. That's what I do. Trust me, it works. So just rub down like this. Let's see how I'm looking. Nope, not enough. Most of the time I leave the texture in my hand and then just pat it in my hand. Now I'm just gonna maybe just pat around this beard. Pat around their bear. There you go. Let me zoom in on that. Oh yeah, there you go. There you go. What I do here is I just let it set for maybe 5 to 10 minutes, so let's wait. Okay, so after 5 or 10 minutes, after setting the beard, what you're gonna do is, if you look up really closely, you'll still see whites of the cream in your beard. So what you'll do from there is actually you will just rub it in with these fingertips right here and get more of a deep conditioning in the beard. Rub-a-dub-dub. And slowly but surely, you'll start seeing most of the white of the moisturizer kind of fade away within the beard. That's how you know your beard is getting the nutrients it needs, but also it's actually going into your beard and into your skin and your follicles to produce growth and long-term longevity. As before, but when I pick my beard, I don't pick it out dramatically because I don't want the hair follicles to break. So I kind of just pick it out and I press out a little bit. That's what I usually do with my beard. But anywhere where it's more coarse, I take my time with it. Take your time, most importantly. Take your time, take your time. If you do have a styling brush like this, make sure you use it to basically style the whole beard. So what I usually do with this brush is I just push downwards like that. And that is it. Like, keep it hydrated. Pick it out, make sure it's shaped good, make sure you feel good, most importantly. And that is simply my process to moisturizing my beard. So if you guys find any value within this, make sure you leave a comment down below, let me know. Subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, most importantly. Make sure to hit the notification bell on Arcway so you guys can get the latest content on all the men's care, beard care videos that I do drop on this channel. Thank you guys for watching Arcway, a new direction of a modern man. I'll see you guys very soon into the next video. So fellas, do yourself a favor and check this video out.